In the heart of a bustling town lived a man named Elias. He was known for his charismatic personality and a genuine desire to help others. However, despite his good intentions, Elias often felt he lacked the respect he desired from those around him. One day, Elias witnessed an elderly woman struggling to carry her groceries. Without hesitation, he rushed to assist her, offering a helping hand. The woman's gratitude radiated as she thanked him profusely. Little did Elias know, this small act would set him on a journey to understand the essence of earning respect. Determined to learn more, Elias sought guidance from a wise mentor, Mr. Johnson, renowned for his wisdom and respect in the community. With humility, Elias asked, "How can one earn respect?" Mr. Johnson welcomed Elias with warmth and shared, "Respect is not demanded. It's earned through actions rooted in kindness, integrity, and empathy. It starts with respecting oneself and extends to treating others with dignity." Eager to put this wisdom into practice, Elias committed himself to understanding people's needs. He offered his time to listen, to support, and to empathize without judgment. He became a pillar of support, not seeking recognition, but driven by a genuine desire to make a difference. As days turned into months, Elias's small acts of kindness accumulated like pebbles in a pond, creating ripples of goodwill throughout the town. His unwavering integrity and consistent empathy toward others earned him admiration and respect, not through grand gestures, but through genuine, heartfelt actions. One day, while Elias was at the market, he encountered the same elderly woman he had helped before. With a beaming smile, she greeted him warmly and introduced Elias to her family, recounting how his simple act of kindness had touched her heart. Elias realized that respect wasn't about accolades or praise. It was about the genuine connections forged through empathy, kindness, and integrity. Returning to Mr. Johnson, Elias expressed his gratitude, sharing his newfound understanding of respect. Mr. Johnson nodded. "Remember, Elias, respect isn't a destination but a journey, one that begins with understanding oneself and extends to serving others selflessly." Armed with this wisdom, Elias continued his journey, knowing that the true essence of respect lies in the sincerity of one's actions and the profound impact they have on others' lives.